Hey guys, today's video we're gonna be making lobster and shrimp pizza. What? For this pizza we'll be using some flour tortillas, some burrito size. The bigger the better. We're gonna be using this melted garlic butter, some tomatoes, already picado, already minced. No.
Dice.
Some diced tomatoes. We have some chopped basil. We have 3 lobster tails chopped up. And we have some shrimp, about a pound of shrimp chopped up. We'll be using some lemon as well. So let's get to it. Alright guys, first things first, we preheated the oven to 450 about 10 minutes ago. So first thing we're going to do is spray these cookie sheets with some vegetable oil, butter naturally flavored, little spray. We're going to put some tortillas in there. Okay, we're going to make 4 pizzas today. Because I'm hungry. And I like the pizza. And if you don't like pizza, you ain't gonna eat. So I got 4. So now we're gonna brush on some of this melted butter using this brush, food brush, aka paintbrush. It's brand new, guys. Okay, it's a brand new paintbrush, but that's what I have. So make it work, right? Bam. And this is just like a light. To me it's light anyway. A light brush. Then we're going to stick this in the oven for about a minute to let it kind of toast up. And let's get back to it. Go. Holy shoot, it's hot. Ooh. It's kind of hot, so watch it when you put it in, alright guys?
1 minute 37 seconds later.
See what I mean? Now we're gonna start off with the tomatoes. You asshole, we needed cheese too. You're making me look like a fool, okay? Like, another ingredient that we need, guys, is cheese. We're gonna use this 4 cheese Italian blend, okay? It's brand new. See? Opening it up. Experiencing some technical difficulties. Alright, so you got the cheese. We're gonna spread a little bit on here. Start over with the cheese. Cheesy pasheezy. Alright, so after the cheese, we're going to put in the tomato. Okay. We're putting the tomato, no seeds. Okay. So this is about 1 tomato for for both of these pizzas. Alright guys, so this is not a burrito, right? Even though it says burrito tortilla on there. So we're going to be spreading everything out. That way everything has a piece of tomato, a piece of basil, and all this yumminess. Okay? We're going to go ahead and take the lobster and sprinkle some of that all over. And let me tell you guys, we ate this at the restaurant at Red Lobster, and this is really, really close to it. Probably even better than it. So, in my opinion, it's better than it. So, I know everybody likes meat, right? So, we're gonna get all meaty. We're gonna put some shrimp. Look at that, guys. So we're gonna make sure every little corner has something in there, right? And spread out. Alright. And now we're gonna add some more cheese to it. Cheesy for cheesy, because that's how I like it. Cheesy for cheesy. Alright, now it's time to put it in the oven. And we're going to leave it in there for about 4 minutes. Set the timer on that. 4 minutes. See you in a bit. I'm going to take this time to give a shout out to Miss Jules. She's one of our latest subscribers. She gave us a thumbs up and a like and a subscribe. And our last video, the hot chocolate one, you can find it here. And thanks and welcome to the family. We're gonna finish on with this second batch of pizza, and we're gonna see. We got about a minute left on the other one. Let's see if we can get this one knocked out. All right, time's up. Let's get it out, and let's check this out. There it is. And now for the final touch, we got the lemon. Okay. So that's the pizza. We're gonna go ahead and take one out of here. And I get to try out this roller. It smells incredible, guys. Man, like I suck at this, dude. There we go. Bam! Check that out. Bam! Alright, let's give this a try. Smells really good pizza, guys. Recommend it. Like it, subscribe, check it out, try it yourselves. Remember, only the strong subscribe.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Cheers. Dab. Beep. That's literally one pizza down. It's gone, guys. Really good.